Okay, the diagram shows some distance between four cities: Mumbai, Kathmandu, Dhaka, and Colombo, if I'm reading these cities correctly. Angle CKD, here it is, 65. Use the cosine rule to calculate the distance CD. So you show me what I should use to calculate the distance. I know the cosine rule said the missing distance CD equal the other two sides, 2,380 and 680 minus 2 times 2,380 times 680 cosine the opposite angle 65. But this is in a square, so if I need to cancel this square, I can just square root of this. When I put this all in the calculator, I will find my answer is 2,181.5 kilometers. If you just did these two steps, you got 4 marks because the cosine rule question is by 4 marks. Right. Question B. If angle MKC equal 40, okay, here is it, you can see it. Use the sine rule to calculate the acute angle KMC. Here is it. Now I have two angles. One is given 40, one is missing. I have the opposite sides of each angle, so I can use the sine rule. Sine the angle over the opposite side equal sine the other angle, which is the missing one, KMC, over the opposite side, 2,780. Now we put sine KMC subject of the formula, it was multiply, and then we divide by 1,560. So sine KMC equals 2,380 sine 40 over 1,560. But we need only the angle, so KMC equals sine inverse of this fraction, 2,380 sine 40 over 1,560. When I enter all this in the calculator, I will find the angle is 78.7, so we can say 79 degrees. The bearing of K from M is 0.50. Okay, let me erase all this. Make all what we are going to write clear. Here, the bearing of this angle here is 50. Find the bearing of M from C. Right, we used to say this. Where it ends from C, we are going to draw the north direction. Now we need to find the clockwise angle from the north direction to the line joining the 2 points M and C. So we need to calculate all these angles. All right. I wish if I have this part so I can find the purple part. Wait, I can find it. I just calculated this part, which is 79. So I have this angle 79. If I added those two angles together, I know the big blue angle plus the small orange angle here We added up to 180 applied angles. Okay, so what I'm going to write here, let's say 50 plus 69, 79, sorry, 79, it's equal to 129 degrees. Now, as we said, if I subtract it from 180, it's going to be 51 degrees. Okay, so this is the orange angle. Here is 151 degrees. Okay, they all draw a full circle. That means 360 minus 51 equals 309 degrees. A plane from Colombo to Mumbai leaves at 21:15 and the journey takes 2 hours 24 minutes. Find the time plane arrives Mumbai. Okay. 21:15 plus 24, it becomes 21:39. And plus 2, it becomes 23:39. Okay, calculate the ability speed. All right, I have 2 hours, 24 minutes. When I need to convert it into hours, because I have the distance in kilometer, that means the time should be in hour to have the speed in kilometer per hour. So 2 hours, 24 minutes, if I need to convert it into hours, I have to divide it by 60. If I divide it by 60, we will divide by 4 up and down. It's going to be 6 over 15. Divide by 3 up and down. It's going to be 2 over 5. 2 over 5 means 0.4. So it's 2.4 hours. And distance between Mumbai and Colombo is the distance between the point M and the point C. It's here is 1,560. So the distance is 1,560 kilometers. So the speed for distance or time 1,560 over 2.4, which is equal 650 kilometers per hour.